Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VISL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates here definitely need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 18 cents, if there is going to be any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, is going to be public enemy number one on Friday. So keep a close eye on that. And then if the price can break up through there, then at that point, sure, it makes more sense to start to talk about the 20 cent and above levels. But as of right now, talking about 20 cents and beyond, like I said, way too premature until the price can first, prove itself, and once more, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as getting above and staying above 18 cents. Now, as far as the must-hold level of support, that is where the pink line here comes into play. The very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at 16 cents. And the reason why I would use such a dramatic term such as must hold, now I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that, pink line and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very, very literal perspective, that would be implying that the price has, like I said, quite literally gone well below where this big move started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, or in this case, actually even below where they started, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, is that what's going to play out? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that is why that 16 cent area is a very, very important level of support going forward. But still got 1 day left this week, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not by getting the break of 18 cents. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.